What is going on, you guys? We are going to be talking about a penny stock. I did a poll yesterday for you guys to vote on whether you wanted to see a new penny stock video or an EHang plus Archer Aviation video, and you guys voted a new penny stock video. So here we are. I've been researching this company the past couple days, and they really caught my eye because they are wanting to expand into the cryptocurrency space, and we'll get more into this throughout this video. Hope it's not too much to ask for an early thumbs up on this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. As always, I appreciate the support so much. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So we are going to be talking about document security systems, ticker symbol DSS. So essentially what this company does is they develop and sell solutions for counterfeit prevention, for brands, for financial institutions, and much more. Now, they do have a couple business segments that they operate with, and we're going to get more into this video, but first I want to give you an introduction to this company. For over 25 years, Document Security Systems has protected corporations, financial institutions, and governments from sophisticated and costly fraud. DSS innovative anti-counterfeit authentication and brand protection solutions are deployed to prevent attacks which threaten products, digital presence, financial instruments, and identification. Now, their flagship product is their Authentic Guard, which provides authentication capability through a smartphone application, so businesses can empower a wide range of employees and consumers to track their brands and verify authenticity. So this company has been servicing this industry for over 25 years, so you can already tell that they know what they're doing. They are very intelligent in this space. So they do have a diversified portfolio of companies to drive strong cash flow and profitability. So these business segments are from DSS Digital Group, which is smart packaging and document security, decentralized sharing systems, peer-to-peer decentralized sharing marketplace and direct marketing model, DSS Securities, which is developing and acquiring assets in securities, trading management, including digital asset exchanges and utilities token exchanges, and much more, DSS Secure Living, developing advanced tech for energy efficiency and home security, DSS Blockchain Security, tracking and tracing solutions for supply chain logistics and cybersecurity, and so much more. But before we get into this presentation, I do want to go over the stock price action right now. They are up 11%. I know they've already ran up. This morning, they were only up about 2 or 4%, I believe. They have been in a rally so far. So they opened at a price of $4.32 a share, dipped down to $4.22 a share, rode up to $4.35. Somewhat of a small dip again, and they just started to rally right after that, which they are now trading for $4.67 a share. And again, they're up 11% for today. Now, looking at the 5-day chart, they were around $3 a share, almost $4 on February 8th. And throughout the 5-day period, they have been moving up. Now, this company does have a market cap of $113.36 million, which is a micro cap stock. So it's a very small company. But like I mentioned, they are expanding into the cryptocurrency space, which is absolutely huge right now. And like I mentioned in my Marathon Padding Group video, the crypto space is uprising again, bigger than ever. So just a little bit about the company's history. It revolves around anti-counterfeit deterrent technology, over 30 years in product protection and document security space, developed technologies and software and products that deter counterfeiting, product diversion, and warranty fraud, protecting products in the following markets from pharmaceuticals, automotive parts, food and beverage, nutraceuticals, and luxury goods. So speaking on one of their business segments, which is DSS Digital Group, it's product and brand authentication application that integrates counterfeit deterrent technologies with digital data. Authentic Guard, which is their flagship product, like we mentioned earlier, is used by Fortune 100 companies. Security markets utilize conventional printing methods, copy and counterfeit resistant, used by global product supply, distribution, and retail chains. So how this system does work is you get the security mark, the application, and the dashboard. These are 3 key components that work together to secure your brand. Number 1 is the mark, which is developed from their patented Prism technology and printed onto your product during normal printing processes. The Authentic Guard mark contains an embedded code that holds limitless amounts of information. The application, customizable in functionality, look, and feel. This application reads the mark's encrypted information, determines its authenticity, and delivers alerts and information directly to the user. The portal, this online tool, gives brand owners access to real-time data collected from the application reads, as well as management access to their Authentic Art program. So this is all very tech savvy, as you can see. Their second business segment is Premier Packaging Corporation, which produces custom paperboard packaging, servicing clients in the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, beverage, and specialty foods, intelligent packaging and document security printing services, printed materials, folding cartons, security paper, vital records, birth certificates, secure coupons, parts tracking forms, smart packaging, authentication technologies with integrated augmented reality, providing brands with always-on media channel. So smart packaging, this is very important, and it's actually going to be a huge thing these next few years. If we take a look here at this market report for global anti-counterfeit packaging, its market size is expected to grow from $106.3 billion in 2020 to $188.2 billion by 2025 at a compound annual growth rate of 12.09%. The market is driven by factors such as strong growth in the demand from food and beverage and pharmaceutical and healthcare sectors. The growing pharmaceutical and healthcare industry and rise in counterfeit products in the market are the major drivers of the anti-counterfeit packaging market. So besides the smart packaging space within this anti-counterfeit industry, just all around trying to prevent fraud and things like that is very important. Especially today, there's just a massive amount of fraud, especially with cryptocurrency, and they are expanding, like I mentioned numerous times. We'll get into that right now. That's a big deal in cryptocurrencies. There's a lot of fraud, there's a lot of attacks within that space. But just in general, counterfeit products is a major problem around the world. As it says here, fanged, I believe that's how you say it, products can cause serious problem to the world economy and result in massive monetary losses across all industries. Forged products related to health, textiles, food, and consumer products, as well as avenues, have induced severe financial losses and problems related to authenticity across the globe in the recent past. And it does say here that demand for the anti-counterfeit technology is presumed to increase over the near future owing to stringent laws and regulations imposed by the governments. So this is a huge industry and space that DSS is servicing, and it is only going to be even more bigger these next few years. Back to the presentation. For over 25 years, Premier has been a market leader in providing innovative and secure solutions for printing and packaging. Premier is the packaging security and commercial printing division of Document Security Systems, with operations based in Victor, New York, and distribution facilities on both coasts of the US. They service a variety of nationally and regionally based customers. Their client list includes customers in the medical device, consumer goods, photo marketing, and food industries. It says here, as a security printing division for DSS, Premier has a tremendous wealth of knowledge and tested portfolio of security technologies to leverage against document fraud. How their secure packaging solution works is it is customizable in shape, size, and location. Secure mark is added to client products and or packaging during normal printing processes. Encrypted marks hold a variety of info, origin, destination, expiration, and serial number plus more. Cannot be duplicated by copier, scanner, or high-resolution photography. Hidden images or words can be only revealed using the DSS smartphone application. Okay, now I want to go over the big news regarding their expansion into the cryptocurrency space. This article was posted on February 8th, 2021. It says Document Security Systems Incorporated, CoinStreet Partners, and Gsx Group collaborate to develop digital asset exchange business in the US. Now, this is what really grasped my attention because, as we all have seen over the news, many institutions, financial institutions, and a lot of companies are now wanting to adopt cryptocurrency and accept it as a form of payment. And it's been said that many years from now, sometime in the future, we are going to be moving to digital assets, to cryptocurrencies. So, I mean, I'm not an expert in that space, but this shows a lot of promise and a lot of possibility. So it says here, Document Security Systems entered a joint venture with CoinStreet Partners, a global decentralized digital investment banking group and digital asset financial service firm, and Gsx Group, a global digital exchange ecosystem for the issuance, trading, and settlement of tokenized securities using its proprietary blockchain solution. This joint venture collaboration forms a unique partnership of three key leaders in their field, combining traditional capital market experience, fintech innovations, and business networks from three continents, North America, Europe, and Asia, to capitalize on unique digital asset opportunities. It says here the newly formed JV will first pursue a digital securities exchange license in the US. Moving forward, this JV will be the key operational company building and operating a digital securities exchange that utilizes the Gsx Stock's blockchain technology, serving corporate issuers and investors in the sector. Now, I do want to give you a little background on who Gsx Group is. We're here on their page. They are evolving capital markets via the digital financial markets infrastructure. They are building a digital securities exchange network, delivering a paradigm shift in securities issuance, trading, and settlement, all powered by their proprietary blockchain solution. But speaking about digital asset exchanges within this company, Gsx Group, they did actually just sell their global blockchain exchange to Mind Digital. Now, this was back a month ago in January. They announced this. It says, as part of strategic repositioning, the Gsx Group is selling GBX to Mind Digital, an Australian-based digital asset exchange, in order to focus on its core competencies within digital securities markets. During 2018, although we achieved our original aim of launching a fully integrated licensed utility token sell platform and digital asset exchange after a rapid price correction in markets, it was clear that markets had changed. In addition, the ICO market, previously a launch pad for innovative startups to get access to funds, effectively closed. By 2019, the cryptocurrency exchange market reached its first stage of maturity, with the top 3 cryptocurrency exchanges capturing in excess of 75% of market volume, aided by the fact that they remain largely unregulated and offer their users access to up to 100x leverage. In such a market, the Gsx Group made the decision to sell GBX in order to focus on its time and resources on digital securities markets. Now, coming into 2021, the company has a sole focus of building their digital securities exchange network. They are in the process of finalizing our go-live readiness for the opening of their first digital security exchange in Labuan, I believe that's how you say it, sorry if I said that wrong, and are at an advanced stage of discussions to commence applications for further exchanges in both US and elsewhere in Asia. And that's exactly what they're doing. They're teaming up and collaborating to develop a digital asset exchange business in the US with CoinStreet Partners and Document Security Systems. So this is going to be extremely huge. And it does say here, according to a survey from the World Economic Forum, 10% of the world's GDP will be tokenized by 2027, with an estimated market capitalization of $24 trillion, with increased clarity in the regulatory framework and many positive developments in the industry, such as wider adoption of digital assets from financial institutions and innovative digital security offerings from large enterprises. Both asset tokenization and digitized securities are gaining much momentum for new growth in the financial industry, which is completely true. I mean, just a few days ago, I did read that Uber is going to be accepting Bitcoin if there is a need for it. Also, this article on Forbes was posted today. It says Bitcoin welcomes Tesla, MasterCard, BNY Mellon, and Venmo to the cryptocurrency party. It says here, we are seeing companies like Tesla want Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and BNY Mellon, MasterCard, and PayPal Venmo see the customer demand high enough to meet it. So as you can see, the adoption and the high interest of wanting to adopt Bitcoin and just cryptocurrencies in general is huge right now. Also, I do want to mention about 4 or 5 days ago, I finally did invest in Bitcoin. I opened a Coinbase account, invested some money into Bitcoin, and I have seen some pretty decent gains lately. But I just wanted to let you guys know that because I've never really understood cryptocurrency before, but now I'm really starting to learn more about it, starting to see how of an impact it can be in the financial world in the future, and I am excited for this new investment. Okay, now onto the stock price forecast. It says here the one analyst offering 12-month price forecast for Document Security Systems have a median target of $14, with a high estimate of $14 again and a low estimate of $14. So now the overall price target is $14. That's huge because it is a penny stock right now. And this does represent a 213.90% increase from the last price of $4.46 a share. Analyst recommendations: one polled investment analyst is to buy stock in Document Security Systems. This rating has held steady since June, when it was unchanged from a buy rating. Now, I'm not invested in this company, but I am going to invest. I just want it to dip a bit because as we saw, it is running right now. It does say that it is up 7%. It was up about 11% in the beginning of this video. Now, for others, this can be a crypto play if you're into swing trading and day trading like that. But let me know what you guys think about this company. As always, your thoughts are appreciated down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video if you got any value from it, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. As always, I appreciate the support so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video.